Hello everyone, welcome in this new Nalios tutorial in which I will present two different possibilities to manage the bill of materials when you are using product variants. So these two possibilities are two different ways to construct your bill of material, and I will show you how it works and what are the advantages and disadvantages of each solution. So first I will show you by going inside of my product for the acoustic block screen. You can see here that if I go inside of the attribute and variants tab, we have two different colors which are possible and three different legs. All right. I will duplicate my window and I will show you the two different bill of materials that I created. The first way to do it is to create as much bill of materials as you have variants. So not this one, sorry, this one. So you can see that here my bill of material is for this specific product variant. So here I have my acoustic block screens with a wood panel and aluminum leg, and you can see that in the component I've put wood panel and aluminum leg. It means that if you're using this way of constructing the bomb, you will have to create as many bomb as you have variants for this product. So here in this case we have two different values for the first attribute and three different values for the second attribute. It means that we will have 6 different possibilities, so you will have to create 6 different bill of material for each variant. So here you see that we have 6 variants. You will need to create 6 bill of material, so 1 bill of material for each variant. The other way to do it is to create only 1 bill of material for the product template and not for the product variant. So here, if I go there, you can see that we have our acoustic block screen, and I will not specify the product variant for which this bill of material is. And I can see that here I can put all my components. So I have my wood panel, I have my white panel, I have my aluminum leg, my steel leg. And we can see that these components have here an apply on variants. So it means that my wood panel component will be used only if I choose the color wood for this variant. And same for the leg aluminum will have leg aluminum and things like that. So how does it work if I go in a manufacturing order? So here I will go inside of my manufacturing application and I create a new manufacturing order for my acoustic block screen, which is here. Here we can see that in this case I have I will take the other one, acoustic. So here you can see that when I'm choosing the one that I want to produce, I have different possibilities. If I take the first possibility that we have here, it's wood and aluminum. I will take wood and aluminum and I will take the other one. We can see that we have aluminum leg and wood panel because it's what we have in the bill of material. But then if here I choose the other bomb, on which if I go there, we can see that we have more components. If I choose the other bomb, we can see that we have also wood panel and aluminum leg, because we are in the case where we have the value wood for the panel and aluminum for the leg. So it will look here on this field and we will see that we have wood, so it will take this component. This one is not taken, so it will not take this component, and same for the legs, it will take this component and not this one. So you can see that it's the same. But here if I change and I put my acoustic maybe with white and steel, we can see that with the first bomb it is also working because I choose white and steel, and it changed the components with regards to the choice that I've done for my product variant. But here you can see that we don't have the other bill of material, the other way to do it, because I only have one bill of material, so only one possibility here for this one. So it means that we need 6 if we want to be able to do it. So what I will say for the pros and cons of this solution. The first one with the fact to construct the BOM specifically for a product variant. The pros are the fact that you will need a lot of BOM, but BOM that are very easy to read. The disadvantages of that is that you have to create a lot of BOM if you have a lot of variants and a lot of possibility for a product template. For the other solution, we have also pros. The pros is that you will have only one bill of material, so it's easier to use. But if you have a lot of different variants, also you will have one BOM which is difficult to read because we will have a lot of lines with each time here the apply on variants, so it's very difficult to understand what will be the component when you will create the manufacturing order. So the two possibilities are working, and you must choose the one that corresponds the most to your needs. I hope it will help you to do that, and don't hesitate if you have questions. We will be happy to answer them in comments. And yeah, see you soon.